Hello friends and welcome to another video lesson from DBOS Talks. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click subscribe and click the bell so that you can be notified of new uploads. This video is part of the playlist called Windows Tips and Tricks, and here we'll be learning how to use an emoji in the Microsoft Office suite of applications. So we have Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, okay? So let's start with Microsoft Word document. So of course, most of us know what an emoji is, and it has been in heavy usage not only in computers, laptops, but also in our own cell phone apps, right? So in Windows specifically, we'll be inserting an emoji. It can be done by using the combination of the Windows key on your keyboard and the period, okay? So the Windows keyboard. So let's start right now. So right now I have a partially finished short sentence, and the intent is I wanted to use an emoji to finish off the sentence. Okay, so again, we'll be using the key combination of Windows plus the period or full stop, wherever you may be coming from. Okay, so once you click that key combination, you get this pop-up, this picker, and the first set of icons you will see are emojis themselves, and you can pick from that. Otherwise, if you can scroll a little bit down, you'll see some animated GIFs, GIF files, image files, and then a little further down, you can see some what are known as cow emoji. Okay, so symbols, etc. So let's just say I wanted to use an emoji in this case to fill in this instead of using a word for this sentence. Okay, I feel so. Okay, so there it goes. Okay, and then after you're done, you can just close by clicking on the exit button of this pop-up. Right. So that is how you use an emoji in a Microsoft Word document. Of course, you can just up to you. You can go on and edit this file, or you can proceed to just save and close the file when you're done. Right. This is Microsoft Word. Now let's jump into Microsoft Excel. Let's just say we have a table of values here, and we wanted to play cute, and instead of putting in some words, we're using emoji. So the same thing goes, you will use the key combination of Windows and the period. So while the Windows key is pressed, you press on period, okay? So same thing, you can choose an emoji from the picker, and then you can just click on that. It goes to the cell. Okay, maybe I go to this cell over here, and then again, press the key combination of Windows period, and then I can click on that. Okay, maybe that some compatibility issue there. Maybe it's just another one. Okay, and then maybe here, Windows dot again, Windows period, and then choose this maybe. Okay, and you close it. Right. So what you notice in Microsoft Excel as compared to Microsoft Word is that the emojis appear in black and white, monochrome. Okay. So that's Excel. Third and final is we're going to look how it's being done in PowerPoint. So PowerPoint, as you know, is part of the Microsoft Office suite of applications. Okay. So same thing, you will use the key combination of Windows and the period. Windows, while the Windows key is pressed or held down, you press on period or full stop. Okay, I'll do that now. And then so once the picker menu appears, I will again choose. Now for a change, I'm gonna be using both an emoji and an animated GIF. Okay, so you will see. Let's just say I click on this one, and then so as you can see, it has been selected and appeared on the PowerPoint slide at the background. And then I scroll my picker menu a little bit down, and then click on an animated GIF of my choice. Okay, and it appears there. So initially you will see that the emoji that you've selected previously is gone, but it's not actually gone. It has been covered by this bigger animated GIF. So it's somewhere there, you can see. So I can just drag this little baby to the right, and there you can see the emoji which you have selected earlier. You can just resize this according to your preference. Okay, so there you go. We have seen how to insert or add an emoji into our Microsoft document, specifically in a Word file or document, an Excel spreadsheet where it appears as black and white or in black and white, as also can also be done in a PowerPoint slide. In fact, you can insert a combination of an emoji, an animated GIF, and what have you. Okay, as long as it's available in the picker list, picker menu, then you can do it. You can put it on your document and save it. Okay, so there you go. In this short video, we've learned how to use an emoji, even an animated GIF file, GIF, in Windows. Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Okay, I hope we've learned something new from this little piece of video for you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I do suggest you click subscribe and click the bell and spread the word to your friends. I hope to be seeing you in the next video.